All right, guys, I almost missed this one. They just put a guy in the back of this police car here in handcuffs. And then this third police car pulled up just as I got out. So we're gonna come up here. I'm actually gonna cross so I can go around these cop cars. Oh, they're bringing another one out. You got him on the curb. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on this side so I can record for his safety. We're gonna cross. She's recording too, so. Record them, yep. Record them, yep. Make sure they don't do anything they shouldn't be doing. They have one in the back of the car here, and in this one. They already put one in the back of this car. I was trying to get here quick. So now that the cameras are here, maybe they'll let them go. But everybody watching, just remember, always record the police, because they'll tell you, well, I have body cameras. Yeah, but yours are turned off sometimes. Ours are never turned off. Ours record from start to finish. Because I love when cops say that. Well, I have a body camera too. Yeah, but mine doesn't get turned off. And my data doesn't get corrupted when they ask for it. It gets put on, you know, where you can find it. I don't have no business cards. I left them at home. Again. So we got 3 police cars here. And my guess, the way this guy's pulled in is probably a traffic stop. Why he started?
It just scared me because I've seen guns and I'm like, what?
That's the crazy thing. I didn't even see that. He said he was going fast.
So she said they pull their guns out. He doesn't have any firearms. The guy they put in the police car, I didn't see anything on him.
No, he never even been in trouble.
No, right. So they should have never pulled their guns out. Because that's what happened to Airman Roger Fortson in Florida. Cop banging on the door. When he opened the door, cop shot him because he got scared. It wasn't even the right apartment. That's why we record. Okay, so he's gonna search this car. I'm gonna record him, see what he's doing over here. Make sure he's not putting nothing in there he shouldn't be. So I don't want to really record her. So
can you stand here for a minute? I gotta run in my house.
Absolutely, this is what I do. I record cops. So she's saying she got scared because when she came up there were guns out. And then
but my mom is right up the street. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We only came to bring him.
Those are his tools?
No, those his tools.
It's because you were driving so quick.
No, that was
Oh, listen to this cop. They always try to blame stuff. The cop opened it and it fell, but it's not his fault for opening the back. Well, it's your fault for driving fast. No, it's not. You open the back. That's what happens when you open the back hatch. Things roll. This cop gonna try to blame him because that fell out. You opened the hatchback, he didn't. He's sitting over here. Like I said, sometimes I can be very cynical, but that's how they are. They always try to 180 the blame, you know? He should have said, oh man, I'm sorry, I didn't know I was gonna do that. That's the response. Sorry man, I didn't know that was gonna roll out like that. No, he tried to 180 it and blame it on this guy. You know, and some people may say I'm being one-sided or being this or, you know. It's a pattern of behavior. You got to remember that. Everything that they say and everything that they do is a pattern of behavior. So when he opens that and the tools fly out, you know, he doesn't say, oh, sorry, those fell out. No, he tries to blame him and say, well, you were driving fast. No, he wasn't. You opened the hatch and it rolled out. But it's a pattern of behavior that they try to shift the blame to someone else because, you know, they just, cops can't, it's weird. They just can't take blame for anything.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
So they're going to let him out? Of course they are. They got cameras here.
That's crazy.
Okay, so they're going to let him out.
Y'all on probation?
He said because you guys are driving fast. A lot of people drive fast. They don't get pulled over and pulled out.
Left that light right there.
No, I'm saying a lot of people drive fast, but they don't get pulled over and pulled out of the car. Oh, he probably said, yeah, you can. Always say, no, I don't want you searching it.
But there's nothing in there for him. It's don't even matter.
Yeah, giving them
Yeah,
He gave
but
me-
still say
I
that.
have weed in the car. We're not drinking or
No,
driving.
they'll come up with something. They'll be like, oh, you got a fuse out here. Well, this fuse is missing. That's to your taillights, whatever.
Juan, just let it go.
Listen to the cops. Listen to the cops now. But he's saying they're driving fast. A lot of people have been driving fast all day. I haven't seen them get pulled over. I seen them get the cops.
He ran out the house and like ran into the car. It was crazy.
They are crazy.
The way he ran into his car, I'm like, this don't make no sense.
Yeah.
And he didn't even search me. He said he didn't even pat me down to make sure I didn't have no weapons or nothing.
Right.
And then they don't make enough money. That's why he ain't